Now the situation comes, how to handle stress. First of all, you have to be positive. As I said, there are stresses which are positive stress also, so you need to be positive in your attitude. First of all, you have to be optimistic. Do not bow down to a situation that no, I cannot do. Yes, I can. That is the positive statement you should have in your mind, which you should do it by religion, or it should be proper. Now, talking about, don't be complacent. So don't start complaining about the things. Even if you have faced a challenge, you know a little bit of struggle is there, have your gratitude. Take that yes, I'm eligible and I'm very much efficient, that I am getting a situation or the option to work upon. There are people who don't even get any work at this moment, but you should be happy that you have something and you should be passionate about to finish it. Work on your management. Simply making positive statement cannot be the only goal, so you need to work on. So simple thing is management, time management. Start a planner, use your Google Docs to maintain your data. You don't have to worry then, because it's always available real time. You want to change in a team, create a simple Excel or document, give access to everyone so that everyone can do their role properly. Find time to refresh and pursue hobby. Time is something which you need to manage, but that doesn't mean that you will completely go into the task and go and start facing the stress. Be happy, pursue your hobby. A person who is into engineering, or who is maybe a CEO, but that person is also interested in photography, that person may go for photography during his or her weekend. So definitely that will help that person to be more creative, innovative and refreshed. Exercise. More oxygen to your brain will definitely give you a better option to relieve through the stress. So exercise is the best practice. You can go for yoga, you can go for some physical exercise, aerobics, totally up to you, which you can do easily. Don't take stress in the exercise, do it comfortably. Be positive. So again, visualize and create the situation. So don't go into the negative aspect, be positive about yourself, and even you can imagine your success story somewhere down the line. That will also be helpful. So you can say you are on a stage receiving prizes. Nothing is harmful there. At least it will help you and give you a stride towards to work about. Thank you so much for this particular thing, because I believe if you can go through these factors, these will definitely help you to move on very strongly. Let's listen to the very important slide, a strategy to overcome a stress. I have tried my best to simplify it. That is ABC technique. You should be aware of what are the factors or the situations which will be impacting your personality or your whole behavior that leads to stress. You should have a balance about your emotions, and you should control the situation. Now, how can the awareness factor work? Always have a note. So let's suppose you're going through a situation and you're struggling with XYZ factors that are continuously bothering your concentration towards your task. So you write down them and start working on it. How will you have that balance? Be emotional. So again, you need to make sure emotional aspect different, personal and professional different. So you should have a proper balance of everything. Give priorities, set priorities. For a certain time period, your professional attribute is much more important. You take the decision, definitely the chain reaction starts. And then finally you control the moment. Don't be anxious, don't be panic. Take deep breath, do the exercise continuously daily, so that even that situation, if not resolved in first day, second day, you know how to handle it and how to resolve it. Do not let the negative points overcome your thoughts. It should be always positive. Make the positive statements and look for the strong points. So simple example for ABC can be, I have a project which I have to finish. Delegation has already been done for everyone, so 5 members, and everyone has given certain skills. So suddenly we got to know that another person has some very important task for that person, has to move on. So we are only left with 4, and that fifth person skill no one knows. So I will be initiator. So I will take my time, I will set my priorities, I will finish my task. Meanwhile, side by side, I will have a balance of learning of that skill, and finally I will be able to have that situation wherein I can control everything properly. So I have learned a new skill, I have implemented that new skill, and then finally I will be able to accomplish 2 times a single person in a single project. Thank you so much.